You gotta get into the groove.
Hello everyone, it's Nicholas from groovefunnelsasia.com. If it's your first time with me, then welcome, and for everybody else, welcome back. So in today's issue, what are we going to cover? Well, for those of you who are looking to get into Groove Funnels Asia, you can do so for free, and we're going to look at the 20 apps you're going to get for free when you create your account. We're going to look at actually how you create your account. We're going to look at the OTO, which is called the one-time offer, and why you want to seriously consider that. We're also going to look at the emails you receive, and most importantly, we're going to look at what's inside. So let's get into it. Okay, so the very first place you want to go is groovefunnelsasia.com, and you will get to this page here, and you can see there are plenty of links on this page. It describes what it's about. There is a video here you can watch, and of course this down here shows you the 20 apps you're going to get. So Groove Pages, Groove Sell, Groove Affiliate, Groove Mail, Groove Member, Groove Video, Groove Cart, Groove Automations, Groove Proof, Groove Blog, Groove Desk, and if we keep coming down, Groove Calendar, Groove Webinars Live, Groove Webinars Automated, Groove Streaming, Groove Survey, Groove Quiz, Groove's Funnel Mapping, Groove's Pipe, and the Groove SDK. Now, on the right-hand side here, you can see what these programs are equal to in the marketplace, and if you have a look at some of these can get quite expensive. So you've got ClickFunnels and Samcart, Tap Affiliate, Active Campaign, and so on and so on. Now the first thing you want to think about is with all of these programs, you're going to need a lot of these to develop your online business, but the problem with this is you then have to work out how to integrate all of these programs together. With Groove Funnels Asia, as you can see, it is all in one place, and we'll get into showing you that in a minute. It's pretty simple. Click on Get Started right now for free. So you click on this button. It will take you through to the registration page. And on the registration page, quite simply, put in a first name, last name, your email address, the username you would like for your account, and create your password, and then click Get Free Access. All right, once that's done, what happens next is you're going to be taken to the OTO page. So this is what your OTO page looks like in general. At the time of this recording, it may look a little bit different to you by the time you get in here. There is a video here. This is a screenshot, but there's a video here that I highly recommend you watch, and this talks about upgrading to the Lifetime Platinum. Now, I'd highly recommend you read all the material in here, and one of the reasons to upgrade, if we have a look at the programs we looked at initially, so all of these programs here, like Groove Pages, Groove Sell, Groove Affiliate, Groove Mail, and so on and so forth, basically, with a free account, you get limited access to use these features, and they are limited. It is not a case of it's a trial. Once you sign up, you will have access to all of these programs for life, but you will be limited in how many Groove Pages websites you can create, and how many Groove Sell accounts you can create, and how many Groove Affiliates, and how much you can email out, and how many Groove Member accounts you can have, and how many Groove videos you can have, and so on and so forth, okay? So that is the main reason to actually upgrade. And as you can see, coming soon, the program is going to be $2.99 a month, which is about $3,500 a year. Now, if you remember all of the programs we were just looking at a second ago, as in ClickFunnels and Samcart, Tap Affiliate, Active Campaign, these are obviously not the only programs that are equal to these particular products. But if you were to go and buy all of these products, you're going to be paying even more than $3,500 a year. In fact, you can be look at paying about maybe $7,500 a year, and that is in US dollars. So, with the upgrade offer that is available here, you've got a couple of options, right? You can skip the one-time offer, and which is this one over here, And you can pay in payments later on. You can upgrade through your account later on, and I'll show you how to do that. But it'll take you 5 payments of $497 instead of 4 payments of $497, which you can get today. Okay, right now today, $13.97. You can pay it up front, or you can do 4 easy monthly installments of $4.97 starting today for your lifetime access. Now, obviously at the time that I did this, the offer expired on me within a few minutes. So I took the upgrade straight away. There was no sense in mucking around because I wanted access to everything and I wanted it unlimited. All right, but go through all of that. Make the decision on whether you want to upgrade or not. It's totally up to you. As you can see here again, website and funnel builder, groovefunnels. If you go to ClickFunnels, $3,564 a year. Samcarts, another $2,000 a year. Tap Affiliate, $1,700, and so on and so on and so forth. As I mentioned, that's $17,500 a year, or you can pay one time now for life and get unlimited access to all of these programs for the one price, and you'll never have to pay again. Again, here is the option down here. If that's not something you want to do and you don't want to upgrade now, you can upgrade later after you've checked into your account. If you don't want to upgrade straight away, just click on the Take Me to the free basic light members area and you can pay for it later. So if you upgrade or you click on this link, what's going to happen next is you'll be taken to this thank you page. And again, there's a video on here that I highly recommend you watch. It'll give you some inside information into what's happening in Groove Asia. All right, couple of other things. There is a Facebook group here. I'd highly recommend that you click on this link and sign up if you have a Facebook account. Check out the free training. Subscribe to this so you get updates and the replays on YouTube. And here is a link to log in to your Groove account. So you'll be able to get to your Groove account from here as soon as you get to this page. The other sections you want to look at are all of these social media links, and we highly recommend you click on those and sign up for those as well. All right, so once you've got through all of that, then what you're going to find is you're going to have a couple of emails in your inbox. Now, as you can see here, I have 2 emails in my inbox. The first one is Welcome to Groove, and the second one is the Groove Sell Order. So, this is your invoice, this one. So, if you upgraded, it'll tell you what it cost you, and this is basically an invoice for your business. So you can claim it back on tax, so you want to keep that. Or it's going to say it's a free account. So, let's just have a look at the first email received is Welcome to Groove. All right, so in here, as I scroll down, you'll see there's some information from Groove about getting started. There's an important announcement. And again, here is the login link to your account. And if you were to click on this link, it will take you to the dashboard so you can log into your account, and you would put in your email and the password that you used when you created your account initially. All right, so we go back to our inbox, and the second email we get is the Groove Sell Order. As I mentioned, here's your invoice. Now, this has the information about whether it's a free or upgraded account. It'll have your name, your email address, and the total amount that you paid down here. Now, I'd recommend, again, you keep these 2 emails because you're going to need them for the future. All right, so let's go back to our dashboard. We're ready to log in. As I said, you put in an email and password and click login, and there we go. We are logged in to our account. Now, this is the free account. This is what's in your free account. And you'll see over here on the left-hand side are all the programs you have access to. Now, when you first come in, if I just click back on this G up here in the top left-hand corner, this is what you're going to see. It's your dashboard, okay? Now, there's the Groove Affiliate program here, and we can talk more about that later. And if you haven't upgraded, here is the button to upgrade. Again, I highly recommend you do that, and there are several reasons why. One of increased amount of income from the affiliate program, and the second obvious one is the fact that you get unlimited use of all of the apps. So I just went over to the left-hand side and clicked on apps. So here are the apps we were talking about. So Groove Pages. So let's just have a quick look at what happens here when we have a free account. So when I click on Groove Pages, you will see you are limited to 3 sites. If you want to unlock unlimited sites and unlimited funnels, you need to upgrade to Pro. So you can click on there to upgrade to Pro. Okay, to get back to the apps, I'm going to go back to the G in the top left-hand corner. And the next app I'm going to go into is Groove Sell. So let's go into Groove Sell. Now, Groove Sell will allow you to sell your own digital products or physical products. And as you can see here, you can create product funnels. You can have affiliate armies to help you sell your own products. You can keep a track on your customers, reporting. You've got your tools. You've got an ability to put it into our marketplace, and of course, all your settings here. I'm not going to cover all of the ins and outs of each of these programs. I'm just going to give you a quick overview. All right, again, back into apps. There is Groove Affiliate, that's connected with Groove Sell, so you can have your affiliate army. There's Groove Mail, which is an autoresponder system. There's Groove Member to create membership sites. Groove Video, so you can have your own videos. Rather than hosting videos on YouTube or somewhere like Vimeo where you've got to pay for it, you're going to have your own video suite where you can embed videos into your pages and they will look a lot cleaner. So let's just go back here to the main page on groovefunnelsasia. And as you can see here, this is a Groove video. There are no branding on here from YouTube. There's nothing to get interference. It's a really great way to keep your pages, websites, and funnels really, really clean. All right, Groove Blog allows you to create blogs similar to a WordPress blog, but a lot quicker, a lot easier, and a lot less frustration. And Groove Cart is included as well. Now, if you're into the e-commerce space and you're looking at setting up a Shopify account, by all means, go and spend all that money on Shopify. Or with Groove Asia, you can have your free cart here. And if I go into Groove Cart, what you'll find is that you have the ability to set up an e-com store very similar to Shopify, but without all the added expenses. And it's as simple as clicking on add a new store, putting in a domain name you want, and away you go. Now, in cases with Groove Pages and Groove Sell, Groove Affiliate, Groove Cart, and most of these other products, you also have the option of putting in your own domain name. And as you can see here at the moment, if I was to create a store here, it'd be whatever the domain name was, .groovecart.com. But I can actually end up with my own store name, and that's a great way to do it as well. So you have full capabilities to brand everything you need. Now, that's not all. As we said, if you upgrade, when the future stuff comes along, you're going to get to it first. So there's Groove Webinars, Groove Desk, Groove Calendar, and Groove Survey. But if I just go back to what's coming here, you can see we've got that. But you've got Groove Proof, Groove Desk, Groove Calendar, Groove Streaming, Groove Surveys, Groove Quiz. Not all of this is available yet, but as an upgraded member, you will get access to all this immediately as it comes out, and they will show up here in the future Groove Funnels options. All right. Again, I mentioned the marketplace, so you can put your own products and service in our marketplace and have thousands, potentially hundreds of thousands of people helping you sell your product. There's the App Store and the API SDK for developers. So if you're a developer and it's something you want to look at, integrating something you've designed with Groove, you'll have the ability to do that too. There's a bunch of tutorials. There's the blog, there's the help desk, there's the corporate site, and the Facebook group. That's everything you need to know about Groove Funnels Asia. And again, all of that is absolutely free. It's not a 14-day free trial or a 30-day free trial. It is 100% free for life. And as we said on the website, when you get back up here, it is free for life, no credit card required ever. You don't ever have to upgrade. But again, if you want access to all of these materials, everything here unlimited. You want unlimited email and unlimited videos and unlimited accounts to create membership sites and unlimited shopping sites and so on and so forth. I want you to think about that. It's massive. What could you do over the next month, 2 months, 6 months, 12 months, a couple of years as you're building your business online with everything in one place from groovefunnelsasia.com. All right, that's it from me. Hopefully that was helpful and you'll get into your account straight away today. Click on the Get Started right now and I'll see you on the inside.
You gotta get into the groove.